Hey Internet and welcome back to the channel. You might be familiar with big names like GPT-4 and Claude 3, but Command R Plus is shaking things up in a way that deserves your attention. Let's unpack why this model is such a big deal and how it's transforming the LLM landscape. Before we dive into Command R Plus, it's essential to understand how we measure the capabilities of these complex models. Traditionally, benchmarks relied on tasks like classifying text or answering multiple choice questions. However, these tasks don't truly reflect how well a model performs in real world interactions. That's where Chatbot Arena comes in. Unlike traditional methods, Chatbot Arena simulates real world conversations between users and different models. What's the twist? Users get to choose the winner, allowing us to see how models handle natural language and engage in back and forth communication. This approach is far more realistic, allowing us to see how models handle natural language and engage in back and forth communication. At the heart of Chatbot Arena is Commander Plus, our star of the show. Commander Plus is not only impressive in its performance, but it also does so at a significantly lower cost compared to other powerful language models like GPT-4. This affordability makes Commander Plus an attractive option for anyone looking for a powerful language model without breaking the bank. But Commander doesn't stop there. It also excels in areas that chatbot charts doesn't fully capture, like using external tools and handling multiple languages. Let's delve deeper into these hidden strengths. Imagine a language model that can seamlessly integrate with existing tools and services you already use. This is exactly what Command R Plus brings to the table. Need to automate a complex task? Command R Plus can help. This integration capability streamlines workflow and unlocks new possibilities for efficiency. Taking things a step further, Commander Plus isn't limited to using just one tool at a time. It's actually trained to handle multi-step tool use, meaning you can teach it to use multiple tools in sequence to achieve a specific goal. No addition training required. This opens door for complex automation and advanced use cases. The world communicates in a multitude of languages, and Command R Plus understands that. It's pre-trained on a massive 23 languages with main focus on 10 key languages of global business like English, French, and Spanish. What sets Commander Plus apart from other language models is its focus on fairness across languages. Unlike other models with a heavy English bias, Commander Plus is designed for fairness across languages. This translates to cost effectiveness for users working in multiple languages. Plus, it delivers exceptional performance in languages with unique writing systems like Japanese and Korean. By making the code and model weights freely available, the goal is to facilitate collaboration and innovation within the LLM community. This openness can lead to a wider range of applications and uses for this model, and also can provide a platform for researchers and developers to share their work and collaborate with others. Let's dive into the technical details. Command R Plus is a powerhouse, boasting an impressive 104 billion parameters, placing it in the same league as the renowned GPT-4 in terms of sheer computational might. What sets Command R Plus apart is its accessibility. The model weights are freely available to the public, empowering researchers, developers, and enthusiasts alike to experiment with and deploy the model on their local machines. This democratization of cutting edge language technology opens up a world of possibilities for innovation and exploration. When properly configured, Command R Plus demonstrates remarkable performance generating text at a blistering pace of 111 tokens per second. This speed enables users to quickly generate high quality content, streamline workflows, and iterate on ideas with unprecedented efficiency. To harness the full potential of Commander Plus, it is crucial to consult the comprehensive prompting guide provided alongside the model. This invaluable resource offers insights and best practices for crafting effective instructions that align with the model's capabilities and quirks. By carefully constructing your prompts and leveraging the guide recommendations, you can unlock the true power of Commander Plus, ensuring optimal results tailored to your specific needs. While Commander is making waves, it's not the only player in the LLM game. There are other recently released models like DBRX, Mixtral 8 Cross 22 billion, and Grok 1 that boast even more parameters. However, these models come with a trade off. They rely on a technique called mixture of experts to achieve their massive size. But this MOE approach comes at a cost. While these models only activate a subset of their parameters for each token, They still require storing all parameters in memory. This makes them memory hogs and not as user friendly, especially for local deployment. Additionally, these models haven't yet been made publicly available and haven't performed as well as Commander on benchmarks like Chatbot Arena. One of the biggest challenges for large language models is generating reliable and trustworthy responses. After all, nobody wants a model that just makes things up. Commander Plus tackles this head on with a technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG. Here's how it works. Instead of simply fabricating information, Commander Plus accesses real documents to support its responses. This ensures that the information it provides is grounded in fact, making it a valuable tool for businesses and anyone who needs accurate responses. However, it's important to acknowledge that even with RAG, challenges remain. Evaluating the quality and trustworthiness of responses is an ongoing process. This has spurred the development of new frameworks like attributable to identified sources, which aims to hold models accountable for their citations. Commander Plus is a true disruptor in the LLM landscape. It's open source, powerful, multilingual, and built for real world applications with a focus on reliability. This combination makes it a game changer for researchers, businesses, and anyone interested in pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language models. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of Commander Plus? How can you see yourself or your field utilizing a model like Commander Plus? Share your thoughts in your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in depth explorations of the cutting edge in technology. Thank you. Until next time.